719, video 719, let's fucking go. Okay, so in the ARTGIRL shader strings and shader number 8, which is our bombs for Josh shader, inside of the main entry point for that shader, inside of label your units, asshole, within the value unit section of that section, we have added a new uint32 value unit alley. Alley standing for are you alive? If it's greater than or equal to 1, then yes, you are alive. In the yin-yang geometry loop, where we're rendering from front to back, smallest in front, largest in back. We're trying to pick out the frontmost geometry tile. In here, inside of this does geometry exist loop, we're packing the binary tile payload right here for the geometry tile. And then right down here, we're extracting the fata damage. Now, we're going to alias this to a shorter variable, right? So v16 to strength bits of the v16 value. So how strong is our material? That's what this table is going to do. And right down here, we made a bug in video 717. We fixed it here. We need to extract the v16 from the geometry tile, not the fata tile. And then we're going to use that v16 to extract the strength of the tile. And then with this strength, we're going to combine it with the 0 and killer to decide if the tile is alive or not. We got a little footnote down here. Don't worry about that. And if the tile is alive, then we're going to end up right here, right? So, oh, shit, no, if the tile is not alive, we end up in here, right? We changed this. If the tile is alive, we end up down here. Now, we wrote all this code previously, so it's the same mechanics, but this statement here has changed, and now this logic is pretty much finished. Okay, let's go down to the next section. So, in the rule geometry section, right down here in the initialization section for the v16 to via lookup table, via void, invincible, or alternate graphic. Inside of this lookup table, the combustible materials are now going to use the alternate graphic, right? Because like if we light wood on fire, we want it to like now look like charcoal or something, right? That's kind of the general idea there. Okay, down to the next section. Here's what we did previously, and then here's what we did in, footnotes. That's footnotes. Here's what we did in this video. Okay, so if you want a better, more thorough, longer explanation, go here to Ninja Playlist 8 on Ninja Coder. We do not have time on Kanji Playlist 8. It's an advanced code review. Like and subscribe. I am out of here.